Here's this is our QLQ newest lacquer machine for plastic zipper. What's the machine function? Now let me show to you. This machine to make the plastic zipper with this result. Look at this Lacquer metal anti-brass, and this is a blue lacquer. This is a green lacquer. When you see this zipper is the second layer, second surface already. Now, before we got this result, we must do the first surface by this machine. Okay. So now this zipper is go inside from here. Okay. And then after look at the zipper is go inside from here. See. Let me show you the original one. Okay. The original one like this. Okay. Like this. It's not matte. Okay. It's a little shining like this. Okay. And then see my technician show again. Okay. And then see another side. Okay. Okay. Like this. So it's go inside and stay inside for some time. When it come out, let's see the result. Okay. Okay, here, let's see the result. Okay, you see, it's with the first surface lacquer already. It's not shining anymore. Why? Because this chemical, this lacquer is similar to glue. When you touch it, it's a little stick. And the zipper with this first layer, then the second layer, the colorful lacquer can be sticker here, very strong, very well. And it can be washing so many times without any problem. So that is why now we are doing the first layer lacquer by our this machine. Okay. The machine output is about 500 meters per hour. Let's see. Okay. And the machine is not so big. And our this machine also have the function to make the metal zipper lacquering. If you don't have so much order for the plastic zipper lacquering, then you also can use our this machine to do the metal zipper lacquering. Okay, if you are interested for our this machine, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.